UnderTale is one of the most loved PC games to come out this year. It's a really great RPG that mimics the memories and the feelings we had when we played Earthbound for the first time on the Super Nintendo. However, it's only on PC. What if you want to play this game on the go, like on your mobile Android phone? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get UnderTale running on your Android devices. Now before I start this tutorial, I should say this is a fan-made project that isn't 100% working yet. For example, at the time of making this video, you can't really bring up the menu button in the game. But other than that, everything should work fine. You're also going to need to have a PC version of UnderTale already. I don't support pirating video games, especially really great ones, so I won't be sharing the APK file with you guys. All the download links you're going to need are in the description below. I'll be doing this tutorial on Windows, but you can also do this on a Mac. However, there's a different part of the tutorial for the DroidTale part of the tutorial if you're on a Mac. So if you're doing this on the Mac computer, go ahead and check out the Reddit link in the description below for more precise instructions for that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download Java from the link in the description below, and go ahead and install that. You're also going to need something to extract .rar files, so if you don't have WinRAR or 7-zip on your computer, go ahead and download it from the link in the description below and install it. Now that we have the tools we need, it's time to get to work. Download the droidtale.rar file from the link in the description below. Extract the droidtale folder to your desktop and you should get a folder with the droidtale.jar and an APK file. Next you're going to need the .exe copy of UnderTale on PC. So you're going to need to buy this game if you haven't bought it already. If you bought it on Steam, just go ahead and go to your game library, right click on UnderTale, go to Properties, and browse local files. Now that you've found your .exe file, just right click on it and using something like 7-zip or WinRAR, extract the files into a new folder on your desktop. Next, go ahead and open up the droidtale.jar file from earlier with the Java you just installed. It should open up a graphical interface. Browse for your UnderTale folder that you just extracted from your .exe, select it, and create UnderTale APK. Once the loading bar is fully green, you can go ahead and close the program. Now you're going to need to download the APK gamepad file from the link in the description below. This is going to allow us to use touchscreen controls with the game. Now just connect your phone to your computer and make sure you have the USB settings set to file transfers. If you have it set to charging, go ahead and click the little USB notification in the notification bar and set it to file transfers. With your phone connected to the computer, navigate to your download folder and drag and drop the gamepad APK file you just downloaded and the UnderTale APK file we made earlier that should be in your DroidTale folder. Now switching over to your phone, you're going to need to download two applications, one app called ZipSigner and the other called File Manager. Open up ZipSigner and choose the in and out and navigate to your download folder and click on the UnderTale APK file. Go ahead and click Sign File. Once that's done, do the same thing for the gamepad APK file. With both of those done, use File Manager to get to your download folder and install both the signed versions of the gamepad and UnderTale. If you get an error trying to install one of these, you might need to go to your security settings on your phone and make sure you have Install from Unknown Sources turned on. With both of these APKs installed, we're almost done. We just need to go open up the gamepad application now. Click on Configure Input Method and turn on Gamepad. Then go ahead and click on Set Current Input Method and click on Gamepad once again. If you ever want to turn off the gamepad keyboard, you'll need to come back here and select your regular keyboard. Finally, go to your gamepad settings and make sure you have button A set to 6, button B set to 9, and button X set to 7. Button Y can be left alone as the menu button isn't fully working right now at the time of making this video. But be sure to check the Reddit thread in the description below for any potential updates to this after this tutorial is done. Now that you have your button mapped, just go ahead and click off the gamepad notification box, go back and click on the little search bar on step 3, and go ahead and activate the keyboard. You can back out of the keyboard and you should see a little notification with the gamepad icon in your notification bar. Go ahead and open up the UnderTale application, hold down on the notification bar, and click on the gamepad. You should see the controls pop up and you should be set to go. If you want to use a physical controller with this game on your phone, it's as simple as connecting a compatible USB controller and then remapping all the buttons to the ones I told you before. Now you have, for the most part, a fully functional version of UnderTale on your Android device. If you got lost in any of these steps, please feel free to ask a question in the comment section below or check the official Reddit thread in the link in the description. Now keep in mind, however, I'm only making this tutorial because I found the project myself and I thought it was really awesome. I'm no way affiliated with the awesome people that actually made this project. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, please do drop a like below to support the channel and share it on your favorite social networks. Maybe this video will help create an official Android port of the game. Thank you all very much for watching the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Later.